In this video, we will be covering gas furnace sequence of operation. Sequence of operation is as follows for most gas furnaces, but depending on the efficiency, the make, and the model, and the company it's coming from, there may be more or less steps to the sequence of operation. Step number 1 is the thermostat calls for heat. Step number 2 is the draft inducer motor starts. Step number 3 is the pressure switch safety circuit closes. Step number 4 is hot surface igniter warms up, followed by pre-purge. Step 5 is the main gas valve opens, causing the gas to ignite. Step 6, the blow motor starts, forcing the heated air through the ductwork. Step 7 is the thermostat is satisfied. Step number 8 is the blow motor shuts off. And the final step is the draft inducer motor runs for a minute to cool the heat exchanger. Thanks for watching.